5 Best Mufflers. Here is the product number 5 MYXDEC Hot Around Exhaust Muffler Tip. 100% brand new and high quality, made of stainless steel, anti-corrosive, corrosion resistance, durable, simple installation, no need of drilling or welding, ideal for auto DIY, a perfect replacement. The design is novel, concision and beautiful. Easy to install. Made of high quality stainless steel. Here is the product number 4 VODOOL Size S Universal Car Turbo. Size S Universal Car Turbo Sound Whistle Muffler Exhaust Pipe Blow Off Valve Off Simulator Whistler Car Styling Silver Hot Sale Brand Name, VODOOL Country, Region of Car Manufacture, China. Special features: car turbo whistle material type, iron plus aluminum mounting position, medium type, micro pole muffler. Features 1, universal turbo sound. Here is the product number 3 SEBTER New Universal Car. New Universal Car Bob Turbo Sound Whistle Simulator Sound Pipe Exhaust Muffler Pipe Gold. After install this product, the pressure blowing out of your exhaust will make your vehicle sounds like a turbo vehicle with the turbo system or blow off valve. Made of high quality aluminum, lightweight and durable. Easy to install on the car's tailpipe. Here is the product number 2 MYXDEC Universal Auto Exhaust Muffler Tip. Universal Car Auto Exhaust Muffler Tip. Stainless steel pipe chrome trim. Modified car rear tail throat liner. Accessories. Brand name, MYXDEC Country, Region of Car Manufacture, China. Manufacturer. Part number, car decoration. Special features: car decoration mounting position, rear interchanged. Part number, car decoration. Other part number, car decoration. Here is the product number 1 VODOOL Universal Car Turbo. Universal Car Turbo Sound Whistle Muffler Exhaust Pipe Simulator Whistler for vehicles. High quality, size M5, colors to choose. Brand name, VODOOL Country, Region of Car Manufacture, China. Interchanged part number, benign mounting position, rear material type, aluminum alloy. Special features: whistle muffler type, dissipative muffler. Other part number, exhaust systems. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.